Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 7 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Today's asanas are going to help stretch our whole body, which in turn is going to increase flexibility, reduce aches and pains, as well as basically make you feel good. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, keep your eyes open, just becoming aware of the room that you're in. Now close your eyes, bring your attention to your breath. As you breathe in, notice the air entering your nostrils, and as you breathe out, notice the air coming out of your nostril. One more breath here, in and out. Now slowly drop your right ear to your right shoulder. You can keep your eyes closed or keep a soft gaze. Take your left hand and place it just next to your hip. Spine is nice and straight. Now see if you can move your hand off the mat, pressing all the fingertips into the floor. Right ear towards the right shoulder. Notice the stretch all along your arms, all the way up to your neck. Now slowly turn and look at your thigh, your nose in the direction of your thigh. Trying to bring your chin in the direction of the chest. Becoming aware of the stretch changing. One more deep breath in here and breath out. Slowly look up to center. Raise your left hand up towards the ceiling. Bend your elbows, bringing your palms to rest at your neck or in between your shoulder blades. Now take your right hand and push your elbow and try to bring your fingertips further down, noticing the stretch all along the back of your arms. Nice tricep stretch there. Breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breath in and slowly bend towards the right side, getting a nice side body stretch here. Breathing in. Nice expansion at your ribs on the left side, compression in your waist on your right, and breathe out. Inhale, slowly come up, release your hands, bring your shoulders to your ears, move your neck side to side, whatever you feel like doing, just move. Notice all the different sensations in your upper back and your neck. Now this time, we're going to drop our left ear to your left shoulder. Hands can stay on the mat or you can come to rest on your thigh. Again, right hand moving diagonally away from the hip. Press the fingertips into the mat, especially your little finger, kind of lifts off. Press, hold and notice the stretch. Breathe into the stretch actually. Now slowly drop your chin in the direction of your chest, nose in the direction of your thighs, your left thigh. Breathe in and breathe out. Now bring your right hand all the way up towards the ceiling, bend. You're going in for a tricep stretch here. Pull at your elbow and try to press it down. This has to be really a very gentle pull. Breathe in and out. If possible, try to keep your eyes closed and allow my voice to guide you. Breathe in and breathe out. Release your hand. Again, take it all the way up towards the ceiling. This time, cross at your wrist. Bring it, arms in line with your shoulder. Press your fingertips, actually your palms, as you're trying to push these imaginary walls away from you to your right and left. Feel the stretch all along your fingers, palms, wrist, arms. And release. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Now swing your legs to one side. See that both your knees are pointing forward. Turn and twist to your right, Bharadwaja Asana. Breathe in and breathe out. Trying to bring your right hand behind your right buttocks. Back is straight. Chin parallel, gaze towards the right side. Breathe in. Just remember, your knees are pointing straight and they're not turning to the left or right side of the room. So be aware of it. Release. Reach your hands up and bring it down. Now bring your feet to Baddha Konasana. Cobbler's pose, butterfly pose. Now grab your toes. Sit tall. Take a deep breath in. Nice length in your spine. Chest is forward. Now start pulling your elbows towards your waist and breathe out and reach forward. My back is straight here still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice the stretch in your lower back, the inside of your thighs. Bringing your awareness there. And every time you exhale, you're just going to relax those muscles without coming out of the pose. On your last breath, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction. You're rounding your back. Just another breath in and out. Now, come forward. Your gaze is forward. Now take your right leg and stretch it out, bringing your left heel as close to your groin as possible. Again, maintain that length. See that your heel is engaged on the mat. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Take your right hand, bring it all the way to wherever you can reach. Maybe your ankle, maybe your toes. Reach the other hand straight up and stretch. We're not trying to bring our shoulders to point diagonally here. We're looking straight, shoulders pointing straight ahead. Reaching your fingertips to the other side of the room, gaze forward. You can be here, be up here, whatever works for you. 2. Nice expansion. Focus this time. Expansion in the chest as you breathe in. As you exhale, trying to bring your right elbow close. Breathe in. Reach both your hands up, fingertips towards the ceiling. Breathe out, hands come down. Now bring your right leg forward. Janu Shirshasana. Your feet can either here stay on the inside of your right knee or get it as close to your groin as possible. Breathe in, reach your hands up. And as you breathe out, maintaining that length in your spine, forward fold. Again, heel engaged, toes pointing up, gaze forward. Start dropping your elbows towards the floor. Notice where you are and notice how you feel today. Breathing in, breathing out. In your last breath, drop your chin to your chest, forehead to the knee. Notice the stretch all along the back of your legs, maybe at your lower back. Or you must be absolutely feeling it in a different place. We are all so different, so unique. So just be aware, okay, that is the stretch, you're breathing into that area. Inhale, slowly come up, reach your hands up, exhale, hands come down. So we're staying for about 2 or 3 breaths. Now this time, bring both your feet together. For the first variation, we will heel very close to our groin. This time we're going to keep it away, having this nice space between our thighs and our calf. Now breathe in, again, lengthen your spine, and as you breathe out, you're going to fold forward. You'll notice you may feel on the outside of your legs, maybe some part of your calf. It feels differently in one leg and the other. Breathing in, breathing out. On your last breath, trying to drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your feet. Or you can simply stay here. Relaxing into that stretch. Inhale, slowly come up. This time, bringing my right heel towards my groin, stretching my left leg out. Sitting tall, left hand either at the ankle or toes. See where your hand goes and reach. Nice side body stretch here. See that you're not twisting. Try to keep, you can be up high up here, and that's completely okay. Just see that you're aligning your body right. Breathe in. And breathe out. Drop your hands down. Bring your legs straight ahead in front of you, Janu Shirshasana. Inhale, hands up, breathe out, fold forward. Your chin, your arm gaze is forward. Only on your last second or third breath, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the knee. Bringing all your awareness to your thoughts. Just noticing, are there any thoughts that are coming into your mind? You're not changing anything, just becoming aware of them. Slowly bring back your awareness to your breath. Exhale completely. Inhale. Slowly come up. Release your hands. Swing your legs to one side. Bharadvajasana. Nice side twist here. Knees pointing straight ahead. Turn and look towards the left side of the room. Taking your your left fingertips behind your left buttock. Breathe in and out. Now come down to the mat. We're going to just straighten our left leg. Bend your right knee, Matsya Kridasana, like we would lie down on the bed. This is a great stretch for your back, good for sciatica. Trying to bring your knee as high as you can. You can use a pillow beneath your knee. Palms stacked one over the other. Close your eyes. Deep breath in. This is a very relaxing pose. Notice if you're feeling any tension in your back. Just breathing into that area. And exhale. Come back onto your belly. Now I'm going to turn over. Bend my left knee all the way. Straighten my right leg. Matsya Kridasana. Breathe in and out. This is a great practice for you to do at the end of a long day. It will energize and refresh you. Come to lying on your back. Stretch both your legs out straight. Keep your eyes closed. Let's take one long deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Taking this moment to kind of scan your whole body all the way from the tip of your toes to the crown of the head and your fingertips. Breathe in. You can continue to lie down here as long as you want to. The hardest part is to show up to your practice every single day. I really appreciate you taking time out and doing this practice with me. I'll see you tomorrow for another session. Namaste.